I love sprinkling a little bit of festive flair into a lot of my cooking during the holiday season. And today's episode is no exception because we are stuffing chicken with some yummy cranberry sauce, homemade of course, some spinach and cheese, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it all together.
I'm starting with my boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm just putting my hand on top and slicing it through the middle so that I get two sort of even pieces, pounding out both sides and seasoning them with salt and pepper. Again, both sides. I've chopped up my spinach, fresh spinach for this one, and a nice dollop of homemade cranberry sauce and a big piece of cheddar cheese. I give it a really nice tight roll, and that is it. You don't need to use a toothpick or anything to seal it together. We're just going to put it on a baking sheet and get it into the oven, 350 degrees. About 10 minutes into cooking, I take them out and I brush them with my favorite barbecue sauce, and back in the oven they go for another 10 to 12 minutes, and that's it. You see that oozy cheese come out. Delicious.
I think these are so easy to make. I think they're also fun to make. I mean, pounding out some chicken, rolling it all up, stuffing it. What's not to love? If you want to give it a little extra zhuzh, wrap your chicken in prosciutto after rolling and stuffing it. Just a nice little addition that you can try. Thank you so much for joining me on another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.